A new semester started, so the students need new phones. Mr. Han will give you one, iPhone 16. It's right in the car. Let me tell you where it is at the end. Many guys want a light, pure electric car for transportation and picking up children. I think this one is highly cost-effective and has many features which surprise me. Take a look. The length is 4.13 meters. A light and pure electric one as you want. The first surprising thing is your favorite RWD car. Two kinds of motors, 58 kilowatts and 85 kilowatts. To send and pick up your children, 58 kilowatts is enough. Second, since its motor is in the rear, there is some spare space in the front. Here's a trunk of 70 liters. We think it offers air tappet on both sides, which can't be seen in some cars of 200,000 or 300,000. Third, it's not the fuel heating handle, which the old and the young can't open. Look at semi-heating handle, it can be opened easily. A critical thing is the door can be opened widely, which is convenient for the old and the young. Fourth, the charging port is at its tail. That means it's a new platform for the pure electric vehicle. Besides, it also has V2L. Surprised? Fifth, it has two battery versions, 30 kWh and 40 kWh. All are CATL stuff. Sixth, another surprise, it's an electric door. The rear trunk is quite deep, the second row can be reclined. Seventh, its fashionable suspended roof and the green interior trim. I'm not surprised at that, but to think it has a white interior trim version. The cars of this price really offer it. Eighth, its human-facing experience is impressive. It provides a 200,000 yuan Fly Me Auto, a quite nice car system. QQ Music, AE Map, you name it. It also responds fast. 50-watt wireless charging with air cooling. Two connected deep cup holders. A giant sinking storage box here. There is also a big glove box in front of this shotgun. It's an iPhone. Be patient. I will draw a lottery for you at the end. Ninth, I've adjusted the front seat to my standard sitting posture, 2 fists and 1 finger, large space. The door is pure flat. The shotgun can almost be leveled. Its leather and sponge is soft enough. This one is 86 kilowatt motor and 40 kilowatt hours battery version. Its power is strong. For a small car of 4.13 meters, its power is almost like a high-power engine of 2.0T. It's an RWD car and its rear is a multi-link rear suspension, which means its operation and comfort is well balanced. The RW car is also better on the control sensitivity. A car of this grade often has a hard suspension, but this car has a soft one. It's more like the bigger and softer suspension of a family car. This car also has an L2 driver assistance system, so you may leave it running on the expressway.